G'day everyone, Unprofessional Travellers here. Today we're going to show you what it looks like to go out to the Heart Reef on the Whitsundays. Woo! Here we're going over a little split between two of the reefs. It gets up to 100 metres deep here, and the helicopter pilot said that they get whales, dolphins, all kind of animals migrating through the centre, big fish. Here you can see the Heart Reef, and look at the shadow of the chopper going over, such a sick view. You can see we jump out of the helicopter looking a bit like movie stars. We're all dressed up because I had a bit of a surprise for Em. As we head downstairs, you can see they got a fully pimped out glass bottom boat. On arrival and departure, you get greeted with strawberries and champagne, which is a sick little touch. On top of the pontoon, you'll see the helicopter sitting as we go around it for a bit of a cruise. We had one of our best mates, JP from Chile, film the whole event. As I was proposing to Em, his camera stuffed it up. Little did she know, she just wanted to jump in the water. So she's got into her bikini as we're trying to fix his camera. We ended up shoving a knife in the battery pack, shimmying around, got it working. So quickly snuck her upstairs, dropped down my knee, got it dirty. You can see a bit of emotion there, and straight away we jumped off the top after throwing the ring back to JP. The reef was alive, heaps of little reef fish, cool coral, and some super bright blue clams. Afterwards, we had some more strawberries and champagne, jumped back in the chopper, and then got a more bird's eye view of the reef. As you can see, it's quite alien-like. It's some of the coolest footage I've ever seen. On the way back, you get to fly over Hill Inlet and Whitehaven Beach, which is known as one of the best beaches in the world. This is us cruising back into the marina and then jumping back out, pretty happy with the day. Hit that subscribe button at 1000. Em said we get a boat. Let's go.